Hey guys, it's Helena here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you the 5 top free AI writing tools that is such a game changer, whether you want to write blogs or your new proposal or any kind of writing really that you had to do. This is going to make it 10 times faster.
Wow.
Now, if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell for more awesome content just like this one. So without further ado, let's jump into my screen. So the first tool I want to share with you is called Jasper AI. So this is really the first AI writing tool that's been out there, and it is also the most expensive, but you do get a free 7-day trial when you set up. So there are 2 ways that you can use Jasper. You can go down here and start a new document, and you can just start writing, and at any point you want, you can click the generate button, and then Jasper will take over and fill in the remainder of the sentences for you. It's really great if you have writer's block. Another way that you can use Jasper is to go up here and click on the templates tab. And there are so many different templates you can choose from. I swear there's probably 100. You can summarize text, you can write your YouTube descriptions, you can write blogs, you can write your Facebook post, etc., etc. So if you're stuck and you want to write one of these things, this is a great way to just start generating and getting started. So let's suppose that we wanted to write a company bio over here. We just had to write the name, a little bit about the company, and then go down here and press the generate button. And we can select how many outputs we want, click generate, and then Jasper would go and do all the hard work for us. We can also use the chat command, which means we can talk to Jasper. So we can say, like, write me a blog post on project management, or write me a country song, and then press send, and then Jasper will go ahead and do all of that hard work for us. Now, the next tool I want to share with you is called Crowbot. So you can get the Chrome extension for this, which I already did. You can just go to the Chrome store to download this. And this is really great for paraphrasing, checking grammar, checking for plagiarism. And the best, my favorite feature of Crowbot is the citation. So if you're writing a research paper where you had to do a lot of citation, Crowbot can actually do it for you for free and do it very, very, very quickly. It can also translate into different languages as well. So let me just show you quickly how this will work. Let's say I go to the gym over here, and in this case, I'm using the paraphrase tab, so Crowbot is going to paraphrase that for me. So it's going to say, I visit a gym, right? It can also check your grammar. So if I put, I go mall, and I know that's bad grammar.
It's true.
Right? And it's going to say, and then it's going to correct it for us. I go to malls, right? So really great tool if you just want to fix up your grammars really quickly. The plagiarism checker is a paid tool, and I believe is $19.99 per month. But if you pay the yearly subscription, it's $8.33 per month. So much cheaper over here. Can also summarize. This is great if you have a long meeting and you have a lot of text that were the output of those meetings, and you just want to summarize all of your meeting notes. Great way to do that for summarization. Now, the next tool I want to share with you is called WordTune, also a really great tool. Now, all you need to do is go to the Chrome store, and they only have a Chrome extension right now. So once you're in Chrome store and you download WordTune, you'll be taken to this page. And the great thing about WordTune is that it actually connects to Google Docs. So if I just started a new Google Doc in my account right here, and let's just suppose that, I just start typing something. I am a risk manager with 10 years of experience. I enjoy hiking and boating, and let's just see what it does, right? I just wrote something random. I can just click over here up. Once you have the Chrome extension for WordTune, you're going to have this little icon. All you need to do is highlight the portion that you want to reword, and then it's going to reword it for you. So the first sentence is, I'm a risk manager with 10 years of experience. It's giving us all of these suggestions for the ways to reword it. my experience as a risk manager spans 10 years, and it kind of keeps on going. And then it's going to and then once I press the little icon over here, it's going to take me to the second sentence, right? Which is I enjoy hiking and boating. And here it's giving me all sorts of suggestions for how I can rewrite the second sentence over here. Now, if you use the free version of WordTune, you get 10 sentences rewarded per day. You can also get the premium version. And I don't remember how much it costs, but I think it's less than $20 per month as well. So all of these tools are super inexpensive. I remember back in the days when I had to pay a writer to write and blog post for my company and all sorts of website content and stuff. And every single article used to cost hundreds of dollars. And now I can just use these AI tools and it's such a game changer. Now, let's move on to the fourth tool, which is called WriteSonic.com. WriteSonic.com. Again, so this one is actually pretty similar to Jasper. So when you log in, you'll see this and you can see all the various templates that they have over here, which is pretty similar to what Jasper has. The main difference between these two is WriteSonic is much cheaper than Jasper.ai. Also, WriteSonic runs on OpenAI, whereas Jasper does not run on OpenAI framework. So if we go over here again, we can just click on, whatever tab we want, write the content we want, and then boom, generate. So with WriteSonic, you get 10,000 free words every single month. Wow! And if you want to get the paid subscription, it starts at about $13 per month. So much cheaper than Jasper. Similar to Jasper, you can choose from the library of different templates you want to use, or you could just generate your own as well. So you could go up here to create new and then give it a project name and then start writing over here, write whatever you want, and then it will start writing for you. So let me just give you an example. It's going to say, write a blog post on project management, right? Here we go. It's all formatted nicely and everything as well. So the more detail you can give, the more detail of a prompt or command you can give to WriteSonic, the better the output that you're going to get will be. So you see, that took less than a minute. No human being can write all of this in less than 30 seconds. So it still absolutely blows me away how far the AI technology has come. All right, the last tool I want to show you is, of course, the OG, which is ChatGPT. Now, the key thing you have to note here is you don't go to chatgpt.com for this tool. You actually go to chat.openai.com to access this tool. Now, once you are on the ChatGPT screen, you would go up here and press New Chat. And two tips I have for you when you're using ChatGPT. One is you can tell ChatGPT to act as a role for something. So I can say, for example, act as a seasoned recruiter with 20 years of experience, generate your top 5 interview questions for project managers. So this is something also called a single prompt. And then if I just enter here in ChatGPT, it's going to go ahead and start writing that for me, as well as the sample answers for them. So this is something called a single prompt. So I could also write this in a multi-prompt. So I can say, you are a seasoned recruiter in the IT industry with 20 years of experience. Do you understand? And then ChatGPT is going to reply, yes, I understand. Great. And then I can say, act as a IT recruiter who is hiring for project managers. Tell me the top 5 questions you would ask. So the reason I just did that was to show you that you can divide your prompts. So a prompt is what you're entering, what you're prompting, what you're giving to the AI models. So in the first example, I gave it a single prompt. So I put everything that I want the AI to do in one command over here. And then the second example here, I did a multi-prompt. So first I explained to ChatGPT who who I want ChatGPT to be at the moment. And then I gave it the task that I wanted to do. So ChatGPT is free up to a certain amount. You have a certain amount of OpenAI credits. Once you run out of credit, you just have to go to your OpenAI account, put in your credit card, and there's no monthly subscription. You will just be charged for the amount that you use every single month. Now, let's turn our attention back here, and we can see that ChatGPT did generate some interview questions for us, such as, can you describe your experience in managing IT projects? What project management tools and methodologies are you familiar with, etc., etc. So really, really, really powerful tool. You can use this to write, your RFPs. You can use this to write your proposals. You can use this to write your interviews. Really, you can use this to write absolutely anything that you need to write on. So all these AI writing tools are such a game changer, and you can start with all of them for free. So I urge you to give them a shot. Thank you so much for joining me for today's video. I hope you found this helpful, and I shall see you soon in my next video. Bye for now.